Hello and welcome to our next tutorial, creation of a policy. For any insurance brokerage, it's important to add policies on in order to create revenue, naturally. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, we'll recall a client. Since we've already created a client in the first tutorial, Henry Johnson, let's go ahead and jump right into Henry Johnson. We see him in the search results page here. Let's go ahead and click on Henry Johnson. And we'll jump right into it here. Policies tab, all the way to the far right here, go ahead and click on Add Policy. We'll put in the effective renewal dates, the balance due date. You can go ahead and change that by using the drop-down menu or simply typing right on top of it. We'll go with the line of coverage. Let's just assume this one is earthquake insurance for his personal single-family home. There we go. And we're just going to go ahead and put a description of risk here. Henry Johnson, 123 Main Street, his home address. There we go. At this point, we're just quoting. So we'll go ahead and leave the premiums open. We'll leave the insurance company's percentage of commission open. And we'll put this at quoting status. This is where you can decide which user in your office is going to be doing the quoting and managing the policy. And finally here, what is the source of the business, whether it be word of mouth or an existing customer. We'll go ahead and assume that it's an existing customer. We save and add the policy, and we are done. That's about it for creating a policy. Simple as that. Could be a good idea to make note of the required aspects here. It says that you've got a person, but you still need a premises address. So you'll want to go ahead and either add a premises address just by clicking on premises address, and we'll call this the premises and mailing, and we'll go ahead and create one here. 123 Main Street, any town. There we go. And you'll see there's many options to fill out. If it's a residential, if it's an occupied property, if it's inside city limits. These are the questions that you're going to be asking your prospects and clients while you have them on the phone and you're filling out the applications. Lots and lots of questions to ask. You may or may not need every one filled for every type of insurance. Go ahead and hit save and update. Now we've got one less required aspect, and you repeat that process until all the red marks are gone, and there you have it. That's creating a policy and associating the appropriate aspects depending on what type of risk you choose.